This is a colony of Dorylus helvolus, commonly known as red driver ants. They are extremely aggressive and known for their rapid surprise attacks on their enemy. Their sizes range from 2 mm to 8 mm and their bite burns like fire. These blind female soldiers are prized for their ability to keep pests away, as they eat insects, worms, and prey as large as rats. This poor, blind female red driver ant managed to get herself into a very frustrating situation, whereby her body landed on a stick with her legs flying in the air. As her feet cannot get a grip on anything to lift her off, she walks a lot of steps without going anywhere. Ants use their antennae to communicate. These tiny organs are very sensitive and contains touch and smell organs. Each colony of ants have their own smell, so they can recognize each other by the pheromones that they produce. You will notice their antennae touching each other. This is to meet and greet when they find their friends.